MPDX can be a big help as you connect with your ministry partners and come up with your next steps. But we know that there is potential for overwhelm if you approach MPDX thinking you need to master every bit of what's available. Consider this your open invitation to use MPDX in a way that best suits your needs and supports your MPD efforts. In this video, we're going to show you several ways you can approach MPDX as a minimalist. We'll explain how to clear out unfinished tasks, simplify your notifications, use the Contacts Flows view, and reference your dashboard to quickly see a list of to-dos for the current week. Sometimes, if you've got notifications set to generate tasks, or if you've fallen behind on the tasks you've created, it happens, you can end up with a long list of tasks that distracts you from the real goal, connecting with people. You can delete these piled up tasks to simplify your list back to what really matters. At the top of the Tasks tab, you will see a bar of options: All Tasks, Overdue, Completed, Today, Upcoming, and No Due Date. These are categories that your added and logged tasks fall into. Completed tasks are logged tasks that you have finished. Knowing when and how you've last connected with people is valuable when you're prioritizing next steps. We're going to delete only the overdue tasks. In other words, tasks that you've added but not completed. Use the top bar of options to pick Overdue, then click to check the box to the left of the Filters menu. Under the Actions drop-down menu, select Delete Tasks. Next, let's clean up your notifications. This can help you refocus your efforts and simplify what you see in MPDX going forward. In the top right corner of MPDX, you'll see the Settings drop-down menu. Under Preferences, you can choose a time to send notifications. You know best what information you need to know, what time is best to see it, and where you prefer to receive the notifications you consider important. Once you've chosen when is best to receive notifications, visit the Notifications menu to choose where you prefer to receive your notifications: in-app, email, or as a task in MPDX. We recommend that you choose as few as possible and only those that are most important. It can also be helpful to limit where you receive the notifications, so there is one place to look, not multiple. Once you are satisfied with your selections, scroll down and hit Save. You can make changes at any time. Next, visit the Contacts tab to learn how to set a contact's status. This explains where this contact is in the MPD process. You can do this for multiple contacts at a time by selecting each, then visiting Edit Fields under the Actions menu. Pick a status from the drop-down menu, and then save. Having a status set for your contacts will be helpful for our next minimalistic tip. Use the Contact Flows view as a way to see and set up connection steps with each person. When you click a contact's name and hold it in the Flows view, you can move their name between columns and through the MPD process. For example, let's say we texted Bomber and set up an appointment. I can click and drag his name in the Potential Partners column to the Appointment Scheduled section. MPDX will generate an Add Task pop-up where I can add a task with the action Appointment. Once we've had the appointment, I can drag this contact to the Contact for Decision column where another Add Task pop-up will appear. You can change the name of each column and the status in each column by clicking View Settings under the Flows View page. The tasks you add and log within the Flows view will be stored in MPDX under the Tasks tab and in the Individuals Task tab on a Contacts page. For our last tip, we recommend checking the dashboard. If you scroll down to the To Do This Week section, you will see a list of tasks due this week. You can complete the tasks here as you work through your list and connect with these ministry partners. Also on the dashboard, or any page in MPDX, you can log task or add task. A logged task is one you've already done. An added task is one you will do coming up. To save time, you can log task with the next action. This will immediately prompt an add task. We hope you've enjoyed these tips on how you can approach MPDX as a minimalist. Thank you for watching!